CNC machine finish, diff drops that have misalignment, 3" and 35 on that vehicle. Okay, Ford Ranger Next Gen. So not the PX1 or 2, or 3, it's the Next Gen, so the latest model Ranger. Obviously, J-Max have done a full legal 3" and 35 GVM approval on that vehicle. So we have a few customers now that are chasing that diff drop. So as with a lot of diff drops, what we're seeing is a lot of people, you know, fabricating and lots of bits and pieces and bolts, and very not to the level of what we require for an OEM style diff drop, something that replicates the OEM for longevity and for strength as well. So we see a few broken diff drops from time to time, or broken issues from diff drops that have misalignment. So fully designed, we do 3D CAD here. We design these things in-house and go through the whole process. So anything that we fabricate on this particular product, obviously it's fabricated, CNC folded and cut. It's also SA5 coated. Now SA5 is a high cobalt coating, 800 hour salt spray life. So we go into them, yes, we could powder coat them black, but like with anything, the SA5 will outlast everything else. The other parts of it, you know, CNC machine finish. So the accuracy on this is top notch, so that it replicates the OEM finish, strength, and accurate location. So everything fits exactly as it should, as per OEM. We've also designed that the pin on it can be rotated for ease of install, and once you start to install these, you'll see why we did that. Spacers for in stainless, so do all those in stainless steel for longevity, for the bash guard and for the other part of the diff drop, and all the bolts required. This kit is now available in stock, so if you have a Ford Ranger and you are looking for a diff drop, contact us at jmax.com.au or give the office a call.